Select the reagent to convert this compound to this compound. What is this compound? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means root word is hex. Hex 4 in 1 al. And what is there on the fifth carbon atom? Methyl group. 5-methyl hex 4 in 1 al to 5-methyl hexane. 5-methyl hexane. Okay, this is the compound. This is the reactant. So this is the reactant and we should get 5-methyl hexane from this reaction. So if you see the different reagents used here, the first reagent which can be used, what is the first option there? Sodium borohydrate followed by hydrolysis. Sodium borohydrate converts aldehydes to alcohols, aldehydes to primary alcohols and ketones to secondary alcohols. But sodium borohydrate will not reduce carbon-carbon double bond. But here in the product there is no unsaturation. So sodium borohydrate is ruled out. Then lithium aluminum hydride. Lithium aluminum hydride also reduces aldehyde to primary alcohol, but carbon-carbon double bond will not get affected. So here the product obtained is not alcohol at all. So this option is also ruled out. Then hydrazine and base followed by hydrogen and nickel. What is hydrazine and KOH? Wolff-Kishner reduction. In Wolff-Kishner reduction, C double bond O group will be converted to CH2. C double bond O group will be converted to CH2 means what will I get? So now when it is treated with hydrazine and OH minus. This is Wolff-Kishner reduction. What shortcut we learnt in Wolff-Kishner reduction? C double bond O will be converted to CH2. Means so aldehyde will be converted to hydrocarbon. I'll get this compound. Now from this compound, that double bond also should go out. I should get a saturated product. So how can I get a saturated product? By catalytic reduction, hydrogen in the presence of nickel. So if you see Wolff-Kishner reduction followed by hydrogen and nickel, catalytic reduction, we will get this product. This option is correct. Option C should be your answer. Glycol and catalytic reduction option is also wrong. So this is about how to convert the reagent, what are the reagent required to convert compound 1 to compound 2.